navigate to the Google Fonts website. Use the filters and options on the site to refine your font search. Select a font to download. Click the Download button to download the font files. The fonts will download as a zipped folder. You'll need to unzip this folder before being able to upload and use the fonts in Canva. Navigate to the Brand section from the homepage sidebar. For Enterprise Canva users, click on your company name first, then choose the Brand Kit option. If you have multiple brand kits, pick the one to customize. Under Brand Fonts, click the Upload a Font button. Canva supports OTF, TTF, and WAF font file types. Select the font file and click Open to upload it. Only upload fonts you have permission to use. Canva will ask you to confirm you have the necessary licenses or permission for the font. Click Yes, Upload Away to verify and continue uploading. Wait for the upload to finish. A message will indicate if it was successful. The uploaded fonts will now be available at the top of the uploaded font list text boxes in Canva.